Before visiting the property featured in this video, I want to show you a truly beautiful view nearby. Here is the end of the stone stairs we saw earlier. Since it's cooler now, Rocky offered to keep me company today, as you can see. Taking this road, we arrive at our destination, but first I want to show you something else interesting. Look at the stunning stone arch. And next to it, the 400 years old church of San Giuseppe, from which the neighborhood takes its name. Now we are actually heading to the property for sale. As you can see, the streets in this area are cobblestoned. I personally find them enchanting. Consider how centuries old they are, yet still in perfect condition. Here we are. The house is on my left. Look how this alley, plenty of flowers and plants, beautiful it is. It's simply magical. This place has been baptized, let me tell, like Virgin's Alley. In fact, here you can find that name, even though it's written in a temporary way. And here, the façade of the property that we are interested in. Practically it's a corner one. In fact, this part belongs to the property too. You can notice the presence of a window that is onto the ancient kitchen you're about to see. The minute we step in, immediately we deal with this living room that anciently was a kitchen living room combined. In fact, here we have the proof of what I said. This is an ancient sink that was used to wash the clothes as well. So practically it's a kind of an historical wash machine. Here on the back, this room that can be used like bedroom. Eventually, if you want to put on an open space property, it's possible to remove quietly this door. Here, this further room that has been used in recent times, let me tell, as kitchen. In fact, here there are all the connections for it. Upstairs, this small room that can be used like a storage room or something. And finally here, the bathroom, complete with shower. Over there, the water tank of the house that eventually can be placed elsewhere. In general, the condition of this property is not too bad. The structure is very strong, but obviously it needs to be refurbished. Due to the size of it, that should be around 30 square meters, it's easy and cheap to refurbish. I think personally that with approximately 10,000 euros it's possible to make this place very livable. And in general, By investing a small amount of money, you can have the privilege of living in this very beautiful place, or eventually to have it just like a summer house, let's say. From Carini, this lovely neighborhood and Rocky, it's all.